If you're using LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find leads, you already know the pain. Scrolling, copy-pasting profiles, broken helper tools, hunting for emails one by one. I am using a Chrome extension called LetsNav, and it completely removes that irritating process. Let me show you exactly how it works. First, go to any Sales Navigator search or saved list, whatever you're already working with. You'll get Export Leads button in the toolbar. That's LetsNav extension. Just click it. It starts collecting immediately. You'll see a counter showing how many leads it's picked up. You can watch it run or just leave it going in the background. Here's the part that helps the most. If you have the email finder toggle enabled before you export, LetsNav will automatically find verified work emails for every lead it collects, and you only get charged a credit when it actually finds one, so you're never paying for misses. Once it's done, you can download the CSV directly from the pop-up. One click, done. Or head over to your LetsNav dashboard. All your exported lists are saved here. You can run email finding on any list later if you skipped it during export and download anytime. Here's what you actually get in the CSV. First name, last name, job title, company, LinkedIn URL, verified work email, 16 fields total, clean and ready to drop into any outreach tool or CRM. LetsNav is free to install and comes with some free credits every month, so you can test it before paying anything. And if you don't want to do any of this yourself, or maybe you don't even have a Sales Navigator account but still want leads from it, there's a different solution too. LetsNav offers a done-for-you service. You tell them your target, the role, the industry, the company size, and they handle everything. And they build the searches, export the leads, find the verified emails, and send you a clean CSV ready for outreach. So, no tool to learn, no subscription to pay for. It's a one-time payment. Link is in the description below.